Welcome back to my channel. Please subscribe. Now I want to teach you on how to turn on your TikTok subscription on for you to be getting money from your TikTok live or videos or from your followers from TikTok. So if you open your TikTok app, you click on these three options. You click on creator tools. Okay, you will see subscription. Let's go back again because network is very poor and I want to use it to turn my own on. But remember, you must have at least 1,000 followers. Okay, see it, you click on subscription. Okay, so what's the next step? Add text to your badge. Enter a name with 3 or 4 characters. Sam is okay. Sam is okay. Sample name. Okay, so what next? You click on next. Consider to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, customize emotes optional. You have to read all these things before you go on. Using subscription emote is a great way to make your live video unique and attractive and more subscribers. Okay, you click on plus, add a picture there. So let me go and select a picture. Not only one. Verification process is not something that you will do fast. It's not something that you will do fast. You have to calm down before you make a mistake. You want that my face comes out. Please, we are pleading everybody to bear with us. We have a little issue on the video, so that's why we have to end the video now. We will finish the video soon, so we just want to upload this one. So in the same playlist, we are going to drop the continuation of the video.